But do it now, before you board.
Okay. Happy Father's Day.
Oh.
What did you do?
That's just a little something, mainly from David, actually. Oh, yeah, we got the camera. I forgot, sorry. Daddy, okay. Okay, espera un momentito. Yeah. You're supposed to open the card first, Daddy.
Oh,
that's from Mickey.
Oh, from Mickey?
Yes.
Oh, how did you get it?
Well, look at the envelope. That'll give you a hint. Oh, wait a minute. It's not from Mickey. It's from Jerry. Sorry. That's Mary's handwriting. Mary and Mickey have very similar handwriting.
That's right.
They have very similar handwriting, so I think that was from Mickey.
You want coffee, Millie?
Yes, please. I already mailed mine out to her. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah. It's always the U.S. Post Office, somewhere in the United States, within walking distance.
You have to make more coffee?
I told her that too. I was like, rule of thumb, make the whole pot. Will you read the card? He doesn't read cards.
You said that's what it says in here, right?
Maybe you need the lights on.
Maybe I need the lights on. Okay. At least you're supposed to pretend to read the cards, Daddy. Okay, now you got the cards. Well, let's put the cards out for you all week.
Yeah?
Yeah, just play your cards. Well, then Daddy gave this card down too. Yeah, and I'm sorry it wasn't wrapped much nicer, but last minute doing and you'll see. Made by Rattlesnake. David made it. You know David? Vicky.
Where? How?
Alright,
You mean that thing is so... Skin is so thick?
No, it's on leather.
It's on leather.
And we thought you could wear it while you're here, and then when you leave, give it to me because it has to get...
Let me show you, as a matter of
It
fact.
has to get laced.
I'll show you.
Oh, the outside.
Right.
Okay, no, then I won't use it.
No, use it.
It goes there and
No,
mess it up.
No, it won't mess it up. No, but same with mine. See, the person didn't have
Oh, you have
time.
one like that?
Yeah. She didn't have time to put the lacing on. So I said, well, I'm going to take them anyway. No, we're not messing up. But see if it fits.
Yeah, look, Daddy, this is the finished product. David got, mine was the only one that actually got laced. See how pretty it is after they lace it?
Yeah. And they do this by hand.
Yeah. So David put this...
Okay, how do you make the hole?
Little machine.
Oh, there's a little machine.
Well,
That's
some
my
people
hand.
use a machine, some people use
You
the
have
hole
one.
punch.
You have one, right?
I have one, yeah.
The machine.
Not the machine. I have just a regular old leather hole punch.
Oh, that means that you have to measure the distance all the time.
Yeah.
This one's mine. David has his on. That's very nice.
And I got one for little David, but he hasn't read the book yet, so...
Well, you know why it fits, because we went by the belt that you left at the house.
Yeah, if you have enough holes in it.
Yeah.
By the way,
Yeah.
well, like I said, it's not finished yet, but...
You want to put it on?
Yes, of course we want you to put it on. I'm sorry.
You and your big butt.
Oh, I see.
Actually, you should put it in that corner so you can get him at a better angle. Let me get a excuse me. You'll be a real cowboy while you're in Arizona.
So this goes with the shoes too. And,
Yeah, right. We should get him rattlesnake boots.
no, I mean it's the funny looking shoes that they use.
Yeah, do that. Do that one or the next one? Right there, this one.
Oh, yeah, here. And that's it, because I'm going to be, wait.
Yeah, it won't go.
No,
get it, you have to go to the airport.
Yeah. Well, how come they have trouble going through?
Yeah.
Probably with time, maybe.
I don't know.
You shouldn't have trouble.
No, because it's going to have lacing on it, so it better not.
Wait a minute, it's going into this, that's why. It's going in. You know why, David? I see. This
Oh.
thing is not in enough. You gotta put this in more.
That's
This is the problem. So,
Well, yeah.
Okay.
It was a clip.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Why don't you take a picture?
All the time, man.
Why don't you take a picture of all of us?
Okay. Why?
Well, why take a picture of this Father's Day?
Yeah.
Father's Day.
Jump in there.
Jump in there. Well, that's enough room. We really should do this somewhere else. So, right here.
Okay. But Mrs. Conde, I'd like to see the belt on him.
Oh, yeah?
All right.
Okay, good. Next picture. Okay.
So what do you guys do? Or you buy leather and then just stick the skin in
Well, I cured the skin. I used to.
What did you do with that?
I used to when I lived out in the country. I used to get